Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Trezor T wallet. First, carefully unbox your new Trezor Model T device. Connect the device to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the official Trezor website to download the Trezor Suite application. This software is essential for managing your wallet and will guide you through the initial configuration steps. Ensure you are on the correct website to avoid any security risks. After installing Trezor Suite, you will be prompted to install the latest firmware. This is a crucial security step, so always ensure you are running the most current version. The software will display a device fingerprint. Verify this matches what appears on your Trezor screen. Once the firmware is updated, you can give your Trezor T a personalized name. This helps you identify your device easily, especially if you own multiple hardware wallets. The next critical step is to back up your recovery seed. Your Trezor T will generate a unique 24-word seed phrase. This phrase is the master key to your cryptocurrency and must be protected at all costs. Write down each word precisely on the recovery card provided in your Trezor box. Double-check every word for accuracy. Store this card in a secure, private location, away from your device, and never share it with anyone. Finally, you will set up a PIN for your Trezor T. This PIN adds an extra layer of security, protecting your device from unauthorized access. Choose a strong, memorable PIN, typically between 4 and 9 digits. The Trezor Suite will then ask you to confirm a few words from your recovery seed to ensure you have recorded it correctly. Once these steps are complete, your Trezor Model T wallet is fully set up and ready to securely manage your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.